Today's weather is going to be sunny. Today is super sunny and you need to wear short sleeve shirts. He's going to wear sandals and shorts, and you need to wear glasses.
Get your raincoats on both your shoes.
Today is going to be thunder. Later gonna be tornado.
Hold out today.
Ready. Today it will be sunny and snowy. Snowy. A hat, mittens, snowy. That is the boot. Tomorrow there will be a snowstorm. Today is sunny, today is hot.
Am I ready? Okay.